Peace everybody, welcome to another quick reflection on the Qur'an, where we will look at one particular verse and just spend 2 minutes reflecting on it. Today we're looking at chapter 2, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 281. Allah says, وَاتَّقُوا يَوْمًا تُرْجَعُونَ فِيهِ إِلَى اللَّهِ. Bear in mind, pay due attention to that day when you'll be brought back in it to Allah. So this is talking about the day when our actions, our life will end and will be brought back to Allah. Thumma, then, tawaffa, you will be repaid in full. Tawaffa. Kullu nafsin, every person, every self, every person, ma kasabat, for what they have earned. Wahum la yuzlamun, and there will be no injustice. So what God is telling us here is that we have to bear in mind that our time will end and we will be accountable for every action we have undertaken. Good actions, bad actions, and inactions, and people forget about inactions. God has described our duties in this book, and if we are not acting upon those duties, we will be repaid in full for that too. And so we need to bear that in mind. So this verse, what this is telling me is that I need to plan my actions for today, because I don't know if there is a tomorrow, and I need to make sure that I'm performing my duties per the instructions of my Lord, and I need to make sure I'm doing good and I'm enjoying good and I'm not doing bad. And if I do bad, because every person can make mistakes, I need to make sure I undo them, because I'll be repaid in full without any injustice on that day. And who knows when that day will come. So let's plan our actions for the day. Have a good day. Peace.